K coming to you guys with another affordable wig series video.
Affordable wigs, affordable wigs.
Hey, y'all, this wig is really just doing it for me. Honestly, it's the wig. Like, So today's video is brought to you guys by Samsbeauty. Y'all already know we rocking with the Sam's crew. So I'm really excited about today's video. Don't forget to check the I'm so excited because this wig is really slaying my life. It's snatching my edges back off my scalp, okay? Like, sis, can I breathe? Okay, you guys, I'm sorry, but make sure you check down in the description box below for all the links and descriptions and all that good stuff in the description box about this wig, about Samsbeauty. Y'all know we rocking with the Sam's crew. Say less. Comment down below if you've ever ordered a wig from Samsbeauty. I know if you've been on my channel for any amount of times watching my affordable wig series videos, you have had to buy something from Samsbeauty by now. Please let me know in the comment section below. Flood the comment section. Let me know. Let's chit chat. Where's my teacup? I ain't got tea, but we got water because I'm not even gonna keep talking because y'all know I like to talk. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Notification gang, thumbs it up, all that good stuff, and let's get into the video. Welcome to the unboxing portion of today's video. So this is Sensational Latisha in the color number 2. So I could already tell this wig was gonna hit. Like, the model was killing the wig. Usually, you know, sometimes the models be looking a little struggle. Not because they ain't cute, but like the wig be not just hitting, but she was slaying the wig. So here is what the wig looks like. It has 2 combs on the sides, a comb on the bottom, as well as an adjustable strap. And it is lace front style. I wouldn't say it's exactly like a lace front because it's not much parting space from ear to ear per se. But very nice quality wig. Very, very nice quality. It's giving more closure vibes, like a closure and a lace front met. This is what you get anyway. But the curls were gorgeous. I wasn't getting too much tangling off jump, no shedding at all. So here I'm showing you guys how I cut the lace. Y'all have seen this hundreds of times, literally 107 or more times on my affordable wig series. I just do a zigzag motion for when I'm cutting the lace because no one's forehead is straight across, so you don't want just straight lines. So that's what you see here. And y'all already know I use L'Oreal True Match Powder Foundation in the color Cappuccino for my parting area. Here I went ahead and put it on the entire space, which I still think was fine. You guys will see that it looks a little bit light when I put it on my head, and I really think it was the wig cap. It had nothing to do with this method. I still stand by this L'Oreal True Match Powder Foundation. If you watch any of my other videos regarding hair, especially with some kind of lace or something, I'm always using this powder for my scalp. It matches perfectly, so if you're similar to my skin tone, this should work perfect for your wigs. So, all right, let's go ahead and put her on. And I mean, the reveal. This the one. This wig's cute. This the one. Dang, y'all. Honestly, it's the texture for me. I love a good yacky, kinky straight with this. If I was going to say a wig, like if I had to pick like my staple wig that like really embodies who I am as a person, what? It would be something like this. Curly, kinky, straight texture. I mean, this is doing it for me. Okay, there's a few pieces I need to cut, as y'all can probably see. A few pieces that need to just snippity snip, snip. Don't cut straight across like me. Be better. I'm gonna try to zigzag this side. Pro tip with this, get some like zigzag scissors, like in the arts and crafts section. But y'all, this is cute. The lace is a little light, but that can be fixed. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put the combs in. I don't have my wig grip because, listen, and actually I'm gonna pull a little bit of my hair because it's actually like kind of blown out. I wonder, this says it's a color number 2, but my natural hair color is number 2, and this is giving me real number 4 vibes. So just keep that in mind. This might be the wig for tomorrow at work. I be saying that, but I be dead serious, y'all. I be dead serious because I wore my hair like a bun today, but I might want to be cute, you know. Let me just kind of swoop this. Let me give a little parting. Yes, I'm using my finger because I don't want it to be a perfect part. I actually kind of wish I wouldn't have put, y'all see that? I wish I wouldn't have put, I don't know if it's the wig cap that I used. A black wig cap might be better, so it would be not as bright. Or if it's that I put too much powder. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of my edges out. No, I'm not, changing my mind. Again, I'm just doing a quick slay. I am gonna use some mousse just to kind of lay down the baby hairs just to see, okay? Just to see what this can really do. Because I'm feeling this. Listen, I done put out the rat tail comb. We are serious. We are serious. Y'all, I thought I wasn't recording. I probably would have been like, ain't no video tonight. Because I'm already struggling. But y'all see what I'm saying? Like, that's so light. I'm not a huge fan of that. It's probably the wig cap. And I'm not about to take this wig off my head and redo it, if I'm gonna be honest. But this is so cute. I mean, it's really long. That's the only thing. I should probably cut it. But like, it's so cute. I don't want to cut it. It's so cute. Look at this. I don't want to cut it. But do I want to wear it to work tomorrow? If I do, I'm going to have to cut it. I guess I don't have to, but I have to. But like, I love the layers, but I definitely could cut it a little. Like, okay, now I'm kind of looking like, okay, there's some definitely extra. Y'all see that? It's some extra stuff, right? You see here's the layers perfectly, and then like there's some extra stuff going on over here. So I may snip that. Let me show you guys back. Oh, it's really long. Y'all, girl, I'm 5'7", so this is too, We're gonna cut it. First, let's do a little mousse moment. Take our Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse. Just gonna put it on the rat tail comb. Nothing too fancy. And I'm just gonna kind of lay the baby hairs that they have on the wig. I'm not gonna cut them. I'm just gonna kind of swoop them. Ooh, don't mess up the eyebrow, sis. Don't mess up the eyebrow. Alright, listen. This might be a dub. Because I'm not about to lay it for real. Y'all know we just do it quick. This is just like unboxing, initial review type videos. I don't hate that. I just don't love it. It don't look that bad. But you get the idea. You see where I'm going with this. I don't feel like laying it for real. But you see the journey? Do you see? You see where we're going with it? Do you see? Do you see where we're going? I do. If you don't, you're a hater. Don't be a hater your whole life. I am getting some tangling in the back, off jump. Okay, and at the bottom. So hopefully once I cut it, it will be a little bit less tangled, but longer wigs, I'm going to expect some tangles. That's just, unfortunately, that's just what it is. I know this part up here is lighter, y'all. You could definitely add some, if you put like mousse and like laid this down, that would automatically help with some of like the lighter part and stuff like that. But so let's cut this. I'm just gonna eyeball it as I usually do, y'all. Of course I want it even, so I have it completely split down the middle, perfectly down the middle, and then we're just gonna go straight across. Nothing too serious. We're just gonna, and then when it's curly, so remember when you're cutting it and it's curly, you want to make sure you're holding it taut. Is that the word? Or don't hold it and cut it the same. So if you're gonna hold it on one side and cut it, you need to hold it on the other side and cut it. But remember, it's gonna bounce back up. So be careful. A lot of times, that's where people can mess up when they're cutting a curly wig, because it may bounce back up, and then you're like, oh shoot, it's uneven, or oh shoot, it's shorter than I wanted. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit. I really want it here, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit lower, just so when it pops up, you see that? And that was still shorter than I wanted to go, but you know. Again, it's a wig. It's fake. It's not your hair. So you can kind of play around with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm going to, again, do the same thing. Cut a little lower. Boom. This side I need to cut a little bit more. But you'd rather have to cut more because you can't put the hair back on. You know what I'm saying? So cut longer than you want, and then you can always trim it up shorter. All seriousness, this wig just did it for me. I mean, Maybe it's the curls for me. Maybe it's the length for me now. I mean, it's the layers for me. I love when people are like, it's the whatever for me. I think that's cute. It's like a cute trend, whatever. Anyway, let's go ahead and turn around so you guys see the back, because I mean, these curls are just juicy. Like this wig is cute. I can already tell. I will give it to them. I'm gonna give it to sis on the packaging. Sis really is doing this wig justice. She's really doing the wig justice. She's doing the wig justice. So you know what? Shout out to sis, because this is exactly, it's doing it for me. It really is. I appreciate this. This wig is so cute. This wig is so, I'm wearing it to work tomorrow. Follow me on Instagram. Here, so you guys can see, because I'm dead serious. This is going to be tomorrow's wig. I'm gonna walk in there like a no one. Guess who's back? I'm back. This wig is it. And I ain't even laid it for real. Like, I haven't, imagine when I lay it. So please follow me, because y'all don't have to see what happens. Please follow me. Because this, if you was looking like this, who said it's not my scalp? Who said it's not? I'm not getting any shedding. I was getting tangles, but look at this now. Look. Okay, a little tangle, but I mean, it's a synthetic wig. Okay, it's a little tangle. Trying to embarrass me, but so it's a little tangly as usual. Most synthetic wigs, I'd even stretch and say all synthetic wigs have a bit of a tangle, especially longer ones. Even though I cut it, so it's going to be less tangly, but I suggest if you have a long wig, wear it long for a while and then cut it as needed, because the ends will start to get raggedy looking. So you're going to have to cut it. But overall, I really love this wig. This is like my signature. Like, if I was going to create a signature wig, it would be something like this. Kinky, straight, curly, where you can straighten it or curl it. Really, really nice. Like, this should be called Kameron. Say less. Let's speak it into existence. Let's have a moment of silence. That's enough. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave me some comments down in the comment section below. I really want to know if you've ever bought anything from Samsbeauty, or what else could you say if you made it to the end of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, put hashtag I'm poppin'. Yes, hashtag I'm poppin'. I-A-M, well, I guess because you're probably like, am I doing I''M? Or just put hashtag poppin'. If you made it to the end of the video, put hashtag poppin'. P-O-P-P-I-N, poppin'. Like my lip gloss. I really need to, I'm tired. I need to get out of here so I can edit this video and get it up today, because we're just doing it all in one today. All in one. Had a great Labor Day weekend. Thank y'all for the birthday love. I'm so rambling. Love you guys. Thank you again to Samsbeauty. Don't forget to check them out in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next Affordable Weeks video. Love you guys.